home for like a week and this dog is so happy. Okay, so I said good morning, but it's actually like 5. My family's about to make some egg rolls. There's Anthony.
Colby.
Okay. We've been home for like a week and we're dying. My family out here watching Korean dramas. If you guys have watched Kingdom, so good. And then we're about to cook some egg rolls. This is Buddy. That's Buddy. He's a little camera shy. Alright, that's Gunner. And this is my Ira, my pretty girl. Ira's my bird. She likes me. That's Bon Jovi. Sit. That's not sitting, but good boy. Good boy, good boy. So since quarantine has been happening, I've been so bored. I've been making TikToks. I've been editing YouTube videos. We played Monopoly with my, just my family, and I lost. We're currently eating green mangoes with some fish sauce and chili pepper, dry flaked ones. Schmack. Oh my god, it's so good. You guys can hear my bird talking. It's Buddy. He's like, hey, what? Butter?
Vincent, all those bags you put away, can you check this? Can you look for the receipt?
What is this man's doing? My dog's been really happy since we've been home because we're usually really busy. So now that we're home, we're all like cooking and stuff. He's so happy. And my birds are really happy too. My birds don't know how to stop talking. Now that it's quiet, we're gonna make egg rolls today, but we're also gonna making Xoxo. Guys, I don't speak Hmong. But it's basically like kimchi, but like the Hmong version. I'm not trying to get demonetized again because literally all my videos are like demonetized. She's so cute. Why are you so cute? Yeah, this is why you get a parrot. She's so cute. Oh my goodness. She's so precious. We did sanitize everything, all the bags and whatnot before starting to cook. I put the aluminum foil on this table just so that we can wrap the egg rolls and not like get the table dirty. We have the egg roll wrapped right here. So I'm gonna peel them one by one so that they're not like all stuck together. Peeling it, putting it in a pile. And then we're gonna start wrapping, but we still need to make the inside part of the egg roll. We haven't done that yet, so. Okay, so we've got the ground pork. We're gonna put in a little bit of oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, literally the key to making everything taste good. Mix that up. This is what we have so far. Lovely, lovely, lovely. We got vermicelli noodles up in here now. We got in the egg. So yeah, that's how you make the insides of an egg roll. Then you just put it in the wrap and that's that. Egg roll! Look at her, she wants a bite. Hi guys, so I'm in my room. I just changed into my onesie. This is like a cow onesie I got from Charlotte Russe. Obsessed. But yeah, my family, we're gonna play Monopoly. I'm like watching YouTube right now. So yeah, we're gonna go play Monopoly. I'm gonna win. Actually, I played Monopoly with my family just a couple days ago, and let me tell you guys, I was just so good at the beginning. I was first. I gotta start first. I was getting so much money, right? I really thought, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna win this. Bam! I'm like the second to lose. I'm like, how? My brother, he fucking had like $7 the entire game and he didn't die. I'm just like, what the heck? Alright, this is what my mom is making.
I am making Xoxo.
Yeah, I can't pronounce that, but
It's green, it's like green mustard.
green mustard.
Yeah.
That's what the veggie is called?
Yep. I think that's what they call it. Gotta Let it ferment so it gets sour.
Liddy. This week, during quarantine week, we've been making so much food. We had kapun, pho, goat, crawfish, Xoxo, egg rolls. We just been eating everything.
Frog leg soup.
Oh yeah, we had frog leg soup. Have yet to cook our birds. Ah, just kidding. We have just our 3 birds here, and they're just so much happier. We can see Ira, she just seems in a better mood. Gunner here, he's working on getting more along with Buddy down here. And Buddy just talks so much now. Battle beginning.
That's an extra mode, I think. I don't know how to.
As you can see, my mom is the banker once again. She was banker last time. She was actually a banker in real life at one point. My character is this little cat guy.
I didn't even know that. I thought you literally sold the entire place back.
So cute. I don't even gotta try. Ooh. Exactly what I get.
Once we get in there, I'll find out what we. Can I get one last time?
You gotta get higher than 9, Mom.
9.
Roll again. Oh,
10.
That's gonna
10.
Oh.
What the heck? Alright, they tied again.
12.
Damn, Mom, can you get 12?
Yep.
Okay.
That's like.
5.
Are we gonna make sure people know?
Let's, yeah.
So when it's 8 like that, you just keep going, right?
8.
Man. You're gonna be first to go down. Seen this all before. Update, I'm losing. I am broke compared to everyone
This is the only way
else.
we can kill each other.
Look
They
at
don't do this, no
them.
one-
My mom freaking won again. I can't even. Alright. We out here playing second game. Seems like my mom is about to lose, but I'm out here middle class. I was definitely lower class last game.
Uh-oh, y'all in trouble now? I need some money to buy
Alright, get the board, get the board.
7.
7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No!
Pay up!
Just wait till you get in my neighborhood. And 120, 120.
That's it.
Period. You feel like this.
I just realized. Woo! That's so good.